Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
Hello everybody, welcome again. Gus here from Belgium. So in this small video tutorial I will show you how you can easily add Google Maps to your WordPress website. So let's not waste time and jump into my screen. So this is a test website I have created. So let's go back to the dashboard. By the way, I'm editing everything on this website with this plugin. This is a free plugin. Of course, they have a paid one also. So this is called the Elementor plugin. I will drop the link below so you can check it out. But yeah, you can test it free. And of course, there is some paid version also. For this website, I don't have the paid version, but for the other websites, I mostly use the paid version because it gives me way more options, etc. But anyway, I will explain that in other videos. So we are in the dashboard here of the test website. So how can we add Google Maps to a page or to a post? Doesn't matter. Let's go to Babadam, or let's create a new page. Let's first create a new page. Okay. Let's say whatever, test Google Maps page, does not matter. So everybody wants to make websites really easy without programming, without digging into the HTML code, etc. So that's why I really advise to use similar page builders, more or less like this one. So let's go with Elementor. So you click on edit with Elementor. Okay, let me hide my face. Okay, and then we have several options. So here we can already add a title. Let's say drag and drop. Doesn't matter. You can edit the headings, size. Okay, it's good. So where is the Google Maps? Bam, badam, badam. Here it is on the left side, guys. So all we have to do is, well, for this example, you just drag and drop it here. Okay, then you wait. Here you see it's really easy. More easy than that is not possible, I think. So you just click on the location. From where are we? Let's say we are from Brussels. I'm from Belgium, not so far from Brussels. So let's say, okay, good. That's good. So you see everything goes really fast, live editing. So then we have the option here to zoom. So if you want to zoom out, really easy. You just zoom out, wait a little bit. Okay, there it is, but this is not so good. So I always prefer like, let me wait a little bit more. It's loading. Okay, this is all already good. It depends if you want to show, for example, your business, restaurant or whatever. You can type here also the exact location. So let's say this is a good zoom. Okay, the height you can also do. So let me play with it. So if you want to increase it and all that, it's really easy to do. So yeah. So as you see, super easy. Of course, with this Elementor page builder plugin, you can style everything. You can edit some advanced settings, etc. But for this is more than enough for this tutorial video. And of course, then in the bottom, we just hit publish. And let's have a look. And here it is. So yeah, you can edit everything you want. Of course, this is a really easy page, so it's not styled, etc. But you see how easy you can add the element, the Google Maps with Elementor plugin. So nothing yeah, hard or fancy, or you don't need to program or use code or whatever. Just type and fill in the name, and the tool does everything for you. Okay, so let me show you something else. So let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to all pages. Let's say I want to do something else. So let's say contact again. I want to edit with the Elementor plugin. I will show you something cool, guys. So, and everything is free, by the way. Of course, there is the paid one also, but it depends. So you can click on add template. It's loading, let's wait a little bit, and then you can see pages. So what I mostly do when I need to quickly make a test website or whatever, I just search for contact, for example the contact page. So this is contact page, it's not, I need to like it, no, not good. Okay, here are some contact pages, maybe this is a cool one. Here also, okay, let's say it's from a hotel, okay, it doesn't matter. So let's, you can click on it. You can see how it looks. If you say, okay, it looks good, no problem, we can just click on the insert, and it's inserting, and here it is. So we already can edit everything in the backend. So as you see, you do not need to program or whatever. If you want to edit the text, pictures, etc., you click on it. It's all really easy, really editor. So nothing special. So once again, if you want to edit the Google Maps, you just click on it. If you want to say we are from Paris, doesn't matter, it shows you Paris. Once again, I told you how you can zoom. You can zoom here a lot. Of course, you can fill in here the name of your business and the height, etc. So, but I will not edit that a lot. And of course, we then hit publish. We click on have a look, and dam da dam, here you are, the Google Maps from Paris. So and here is the text I have changed. So yeah, really easy, guys. I hope everything is clear for this tutorial. So let's go back to the dashboard. Also this is let me go to the website. Is a test team from Elementor, etc. So they call it starter teams. It's really free. So if you like this, you can edit all each text you want, the icons, sections, for example, hide this, whatever. And the best thing is everything is without coding. You do not need to code anything. You do not have to know any HTML or CSS knowledge or whatever. So yeah, just have a look, and that's all for this small tutorial video. If you have any other questions, just let me know, and have a great day. Bye.